A Sindhi classic that never fails. Here's a recipe of the Sai Bhaji made in my house, which is a favorite with all. Hope you enjoy this recipe. This is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vaidehi and Vaidehi Hing. To make our Sai Bhaji, I'm heating some oil in my pressure cooker. To my oil, once it's heated, I'm adding Jeera or cumin seeds, ginger, chili and garlic. Make sure that this doesn't burn while cooking it. Once this is cooked a little, I'm going to add in my potato, brinjal, I'm going to add in the soaked Chana Dal. Next goes in my palak or spinach leaves, my methi or fenugreek leaves, the dill leaves, some coriander powder, turmeric powder, Vaidehi Hing and salt to taste. Last, we're going to add in approximately a cup of water, not too much, and this needs to be cooked for up to 6 whistles. 6 whistles of our cooker are done and our Sai Bhaji is ready. All we need to do is, with a potato masher, mash it slightly. If you like, you could even use a hand blender and blend it a little. Now it's time to serve our Sai Bhaji.